The pre-release details of Google's Pixel phones, often called leaks, are widely shared online well before the official launch. For example, the upcoming Pixel 9 series, set to be unveiled on August 13th, has already had many photos and hardware specs revealed. The Taiwanese National Communications Commission, NCC, has released numerous images of all four models: Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. These leaks include information about battery life, charging speed, and internal components. The NCC filings provide a detailed look at what to expect from Google's latest Pixel phones. They've confirmed that the Pro model will have 3 rear cameras and improved specs, possibly focusing on AI capabilities. However, not all internal specs have been revealed. For instance, the rumored 16 gigabytes of RAM hasn't been confirmed yet. Google has suggested that more RAM might be needed for some new AI features. The leaks suggest that the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro will have a 4558 mAh battery, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL will have a larger 4942 mAh battery. These are slight upgrades from the Pixel 8 series, with a modest improvement in charging speeds as well. Overall, the leaks give a good preview of what to expect from Google's new flagship phones. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold, in particular, has seen significant changes from the original Pixel Fold released in 2023. It now has a taller and sleeker design, making it more competitive with other foldable phones on the market. The camera setup on the new Pixel phones has been changed to a square grid layout instead of the thick horizontal bar seen on previous models. The selfie camera on the large inner screen has been moved to the corner. The bezels are now thinner, and the crease on the screen is less noticeable, according to prototype photos. A key new feature is that the Pixel 9 Pro Fold can lie completely flat, which wasn't possible with the earlier model. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold has a slightly smaller battery capacity of 4,560 mAh, down from the previous model's 4,727 mAh. Despite this, it's still the largest battery in its category. However, the phone may still face battery life challenges due to the power consumption of its OLED screen. All 4 new Pixel phones now include support for Thread Radio, with ultra-wideband support available on all models except the base Pixel 9. Additionally, a new 45-watt charger with Google's signature white and smooth design is included with these phones, enhancing the user experience. Exciting news has also emerged about the camera specifications of the Pixel 9 series. The regular Pixel 9 will feature a new 50-megapixel Sony IMX8858 sensor for the ultra-wide camera, offering a larger size and higher resolution than its predecessor. The selfie camera on the Pixel 9 series will also be improved using autofocus technology for sharper images. The main camera will continue to use the ISOCELL GNK sensor, providing consistent performance across all models. Importantly, the Pixel 9 lineup will have uniform camera hardware, with both the periscope telephoto and ultra-wide cameras using the same Sony IMX858 sensor. This upgrade is expected to offer better image quality and more detailed photos for users. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL will have a 50-megapixel Sony IMX858 sensor for their front cameras, which is a significant upgrade in resolution from previous models. These new camera specifications show that Google is focusing on improving image quality and the overall photography experience for users. Stay tuned for more updates on the upcoming Pixel 9 lineup, and feel free to share your thoughts on these exciting developments. Take care, and see you in the next update.